Alright, so here's a video on the AC blower that only works in high. I don't know if you can hear it. Well, apparently it works now. I just unplugged the connector down there and replugged it back in. Looked like there was a little bit of corrosion or something on it. If you look underneath where your passenger seat is under the glove box, you got a connector here. And all I did before was pull this off. And you can see that one of them looks either corroded or kind of burnt. But after I plugged it back in, it seemed to be working. So if you look on this resistor here, you've got one screw here on the front and then one on the back. You can use a standard 7/32 socket. It'll fit in there easily, 1/4 inch drive. There's the resistor. You can tell it's starting to look pretty bad, whether it got too hot or something. So we've got this replacement kit I got on Amazon for like 20 bucks. Comes with a new harness, the new resistor, and some heat shrink butt connectors. So I'm gonna try and go the lazy route and not replace this connector and have to put a bunch of different butt splices on these wires. So try and just pull this pin out of here, take a look at it. It almost looks like the wires kind of got a little bit hot too, discolored. So I'm just going to take this paper clip, slide it in the small gap here to release this pin. There we go. Doesn't really look bad. I think I might just tighten up the inside a little bit there so it clamps on the connector a little better. It might have just had a small gap. So, try and see if we can just bend this tab back a little bit. Probably be good enough. Yeah, so it seems to fit nice and tight on these pins. So we'll go ahead and make sure it's lined up the right way. Put it back in. You can hear it click and feel in place, and then it'll be nice and tight. Put this piece back on. And then we'll just take in put our new resistor in just like it came out, and we'll be good to go. All right, let's make sure these are tight. Connect the new plug. Now we'll try it out. All right, let's see if it works. There we go. Now we have every fan speed back.